Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel. If you're new to my channel, thank you for tuning in. Alright, in today's video, we're going to be doing the Camille Rose Naturals custom blends. This is a two-step, system to, help you maintain healthy hair and scalp. So the first product is the oil. You want to put that in before you do the deep conditioner because you want to give yourself a scalp massage. So that's what we're going to do. Has a nice smell to it. So now that the safety seal is off, it has a unique smell. Now, I love the packaging because it's like, it says, "Hi Nye-E-Ma, enjoy your custom blends," with a happy face. And the ingredients inside this are sesame seeds, macadamia seeds, rosehip seeds, argan kernels, soybeans, nangai seeds, subaki extract, rosemary leaves, and rosemary pills. Let's go ahead and apply this to my scalp. You guys know I don't really use oils, but this one you just rinse out, so I have no problem with that. And I could use a scalp massage. My hair is freshly cleansed, by the way, with a sweet ginger cleansing rinse. It smells, it's interesting, but I like it. It's always nice to give yourself a scalp massage every once in a while. And it's not a heavy oil either, which is good. Okay, I think that's good enough. It's actually pretty moisturizing on my hands. Okay, and now I'm going to apply the deep conditioner. Custom blends deep conditioner. This one says, "Hi Nye-E-Ma, enjoy your custom blends." In a jar. I believe this is an 8-ounce jar, and inside this one there's almond oil, camellia fruit, canarium, and psyllium seeds, ETMS, manoi butters, red palm, citric acid, and scent. Let's go ahead and open it. It probably has a seal as well. This doesn't have a seal. Wow. This is very like medicinal smelling, which I like it. It smells really good. So I'm gonna wet my hair just a bit. So I like to start off everything with wet hair. So now that my hair is short, I'm not going to need a lot of this, so it's pretty thick. It does run slightly out of the container. It has the texture of a little swirl, I want to say. Oh. This feels really good in there. Wow. Wow, it's defining my curls. Get the back. I feel like I always, this was on sale in the 4/21 sale that they had. Because they were at the hair show. But I feel like I never buy two of the really good stuff, and I played it safe this time, but I think I'm gonna really like this. Basically you took a quiz on their website and it determines what blends you get. Like, I don't know if anyone has the same ingredients as Nye-E-Ma, but I chose, well, I can't show you now, but I think I chose the one that's for color treated hair, not protein sensitive, natural hair, dryness, and itchy scalp. It has really good slip, and I didn't even put a lot of water in my hair. Because I'm not gonna steam today because I already steamed this week. With my short hair, I've been deep conditioning twice a week. And also because I'm color treated, so I deep condition twice a week. Wet my hair every day in the shower. So I'm just gonna put on some plastic caps and let this chill for about maybe 20 minutes or so. Just gonna put a little bit more. Oh my god, is it defining my curls? It's like the more I add, the better it gets. I think I'm gonna really like this, guys. I mean, look at these curls. Okay, so I'm gonna let this sit for 20 minutes and I'm gonna be back with the rinse and I'll get my final thoughts on these two products. Alright, so I'm back. Got everything rinsed. When I was rinsing out the product, there was no tangles. My hair felt really strong but moisturized at the same time. So I hopefully, I'm not sure if it's a protein treatment. I didn't see any ingredients in here that made it a protein treatment, but my hair does feel really strong, which is what I needed because, you know, after you color your hair, which I did a few days ago, you want to restore the protein and the moisture balance. So let's go ahead and take this off. Oh, that is a good treatment. Oh my god, my hair feels like it did before I bleached. Oh, my curls are popping. I'm very happy. The only thing that I'm not happy about is the fact that you can't buy it anymore. I hope they make it come back on our website. This is really good. I did not know what to expect because, you know, a custom treatment, they knew what they were doing. They did that. My hair feels amazing. Like I said, it's like protein and moisture. A little bit more protein, but that's really what I needed. My curls don't feel hard. They're very moisturized. Like, wow. Alright. If that ever comes back, I will try to let you guys know. But if you enjoyed today's video, don't forget to like, comment, share, and subscribe. And I'll see you guys in the next one. Bye!